Reading Pioneers is proud to present Breathing is My Superpower by Alicia Ortego. My name is Sophia, and this is my unicorn, Bee. She is 7 years old too, and special like me. I love fairies, and magical creatures, and stories. I'm usually happy, but sometimes I have worries. I'm afraid to sleep with the lights off at night, because some dreams have monsters with teeth, sharp and white. I feel upset when other kids don't play with me. On those days, I am as angry can be. I asked my mom why I felt this, not once, but twice. She was understanding and had some good advice. When you are upset and you don't know what to do, try 5 breathing exercise. It is sure to help you. Stretch one of your hands out like a big shining star and trace your fingers like you're driving a toy car. Slide up each finger while breathing in through your nose. Feel the air fill your body from your head to your toes. Slide down the other side with the finger of your other hand. Breathe out through your mouth and you will soon feel calm. Understand? My mommy always knows best. She is so smart and wise. So I decided to try this fun 5 breathing exercise. The next day at school, when the teacher called my name, I had to read my homework, but I felt fear and shame. I started deep breathing, 1 breath in, 1 breath out. Wow! This exercise works well. There is no doubt. My friend didn't want to play with me that day at school. So I took 5 slow deep breaths and felt calm and cool. When I got home, my mom made me an egg to eat. I don't like eggs, so I started stamping my feet. Then I remembered that slow, deep breathing good. I stretched out my hand, breathed in and out, and then ate my food. I used to shout a lot, throw things, and stamp my feet. Now I like eggs more than cookies or other sweets. I use 5 breathing exercise when I'm upset or sad. I slide over my fingers when I feel angry and mad. Last night when I put on my pajamas, soft and red, I used the exercise before going to bed. I stretched out one hand just like a big shining star. 1 breath in, 1 breath out, like I'm driving a toy car. After breathing, I was no longer afraid of the dark. Instead of monsters, I dreamed of a fun aqua park. I decided that stress would never ruin my day. With my mom's advice, I stay calm and ready to play. Nothing can stop me, not a broken toy or a rain shower. I'll tell you a secret. Breathing is my superpower. Bubble breathing. Imagine you have a wand to blow bubbles. Take a deep breath in through your nose to make a big bubble. Exhale slowly through your mouth as if you are blowing a bubble through a wand. Great job! You just completed one deep breath. Repeat as many times as necessary. Square breathing. Start at the bottom right of the square. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling up your lungs, to the count of 4 as you trace the first side of the square. Hold your breath for 4 counts as you trace the second side of the square. Exhale slowly, emptying the oxygen from your lungs to the count of 4 as you trace the third side of the square. Hold your breath for 4 counts as you trace the final side of the square. Great job! You just completed one deep breath. Repeat as many times as necessary. Lazy 8 breathing. Put your finger in the air and place it at the top of the number 8. Inhale slowly while drawing the number 8 in the air. Once you get back to the top, slowly exhale as you trace the number 8 again. Great job! You just completed one deep breath. Repeat as many times as necessary. Soup breathing. Imagine you have a bowl of hot, yummy soup in your hands. Take a slow breath in through your nose, smelling a soup. Slowly breathe out through your mouth to cool down the hot soup. Great job! You just completed one deep breath. Repeat as many times as necessary. Thank you, readers, for joining us today to the story Breathing is My Superpower. Alicia Ortego has done a magnificent job illustrating how children can not only get stressed or upset, but also how to handle these situations with breathing. I highly recommend you visit her Amazon page by clicking the link in the description box below, because her books are fantastic for all. I really like the Lazy 8 breathing method because when I'm laying down in bed at night, it's nice to be able to move my arms around, make myself feel tired, and then get a good night's sleep. But I'd like to know what your thoughts are about the story, so comment below your breathing techniques or what you thought about the book. If you like this book, you can check out her other story, Kindness is My Superpower, by clicking the card up above. And if you have books of your own you would like me to read, send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com. Hopefully we can turn your book into a fun read aloud for all. I have read over 100 books on this channel, so if you enjoyed this one, I'd appreciate a thumbs up because it also helps show the support for Alicia Ortego and the amazing work she has done. Also, clicking the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be updated when the next Read Aloud gets made. While you wait, you can check out some of these other read alouds from inspiring authors just like Alicia. You may even see some of mine. However, this is all the time we have for today's video, so thank you again for following along, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.